Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samin Yarsar. My school's name is Biswasta Munshi Abdullah Public College and I am from class 3. And my division's name is Dhaka. So today I will do an awesome science experiment. So I prepared a project and here's the project. So now I'm gonna read everything. The name of the project is Lemons and Potatoes Cell. The required items are 3 lemons, 1 potato, 10 alligator clips, and also they need cable, 1 LED bulb, 4 Zenek quatted nails, and copper rods. So the description is, at first we need to insert the copper rods and the Zenek coated nails into the lemons and potatoes. Then connect it as shown in the diagram. Also, we need to connect the LED with deer cut as shown in the diagram also. So the results will be the copper and Zenek are different metal and react with acid inside lemon and makes a current which helps to light on the LED. So now, without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this project. So here is the copper rods. We need them. Now, here I have the Zenek nails. Here I have the alligator clips with, of course, cables connected. And here I have the LED light bulbs. So here are the 3 lemons. We need them. And there's the potato right over here. It's a big one. And make sure all these are perfect sized. Now I'll get started. So here I have the copper. We need to put each copper in each fruit. Just like this. And the last one. There we go. Now we go to the use of the alligator clips. Of course now each side will have a negative positive. So we have to connect the copper with the Zenek nail. So already here I have the LED light bulb. So there's a short wire and the long one. The short one will go to this black one right over here. Great. Now I'll put this red one into the big one and then it will glow. See, everybody is glowing. How amazing is that? Now we will know how this whole LED thing works. Like, what's the reason behind it? Well, the lemon and the potatoes battery works through an electrochemical reaction. And also it is called the chemical reaction. You can also call it that. Well, while the mesh of the potato, also the acid or the juice of the lemon is acting as an electrolyte. There are 2 separate both electrolytes who are connecting up together. Now, of course, just like other things, there's negative and positive things involved in this. While the Zenek nail will have a negative charge, the copper side will also have a positive charge. Now, there are little bit of electrons that flows out of the wire and connects back with the copper side. And then by taking the help of the negative positive, it glows this LED light. So now that's how the LED light works. Now we will try out a different color. See, with another LED light bulb, and this color is red and I like red color. So I'm gonna connect this here. Now we'll connect this. And it's glowing. How amazing is that? And it's glowing so much. It's amazing. I hope you all liked my science experiment. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.